In this video, I'll show you how to configure or how to set up away mode on your Tapo Smart Plug. Now, as you can see, my smart plug is connected to power and it's currently charging my phone. And I can control this smart plug by turning it off from here using this button. Or I can simply control it also from the app by turning it on just like that. Now, this is the Tapo P100, but these instructions will also apply to any smart plug from Tapo. So once you launch the app and see your device that is set up, your smart plug that is set up, simply tap on it and you should see the away, this away mode option. So tap on away, and this away mode is basically going to assist you to set a period of time during which the smart device will be randomly turned on and off to make it seem like someone is home. And that is pretty self-explanatory, so let's get right into it. So you will be prompted to select a start time for when away mode starts. So for me, I can tap on that, and you can either select a custom time or you can simply select a period of time before or after sunrise for that away mode to start, or a period before or after sunset for that away mode to start. So for me, I'll simply select a custom time and I'll select maybe from let's say 5 a.m. and then for it to end, or the end time, to let's say 6 p.m. or 6 a.m. Let's put this to be 6 a.m. to be the end time, and then for the start time I can put it to 5 p.m. just like that. So it will start from 5 p.m. today, let's say, or on the day that you set, to 6 a.m. the next day. So now under the days to repeat this away mode, I can select any number of days. So if I'll be away from Monday to Wednesday, for example, it's going to start, away mode is going to start at 5 p.m. on Monday and it's going to end at 6 a.m. on Tuesday. And once 5 p.m. on Tuesday arrives, it's going to start once again and end on Wednesday, and so on and so forth. Now once you configure it, simply tap on start, and you can stop this at any time if in case maybe you come back earlier than you had expected. But once you set it, away mode is now going to be set up and configured and it's going to work. But that's basically how to configure and set up away mode on any Tapo smart plug. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Leave any questions or comments down below and we'll get back to you. Take care and God bless.